with this big game here. Black Rhinos hosting Highlanders. And, well, talk about the traditional giants. Highlanders are. And that's the first 11 for Black Rhinos, the home team. Slendy Shakwana in goal. Farai Banda, he's also the skipper of the side. Colin Kwaramba, Walter Sande, Gareth Madake, Ashwal Piri, Tawanda Macheke, David Son, Maroa Gracious Mlea, Vincent Mandu, and Leroy Murape. The first 11 for Black Rhinos charge. Pembere Farai Banda, the skipper there, together with Ngobisita Masuku, going through the toss there. Well, they need to peek aside. They need to see who is going to be kicking us off. Future Sibanda in goal this afternoon for Highlanders. They are missing their skipper, Ario Sibanda, who lost his grandfather yesterday. Divine Mindirira is also there. Ray Lunga, Ngobizita Masuku, Godfrey Makaruse is also part of that Highlander side. And we will see. He's professing his innocence there. So this is what happened. Oh, that's pulling and tugging that was going on there. And the referee saying, no, this kind of nonsense I will not tolerate. And Charlton Siamalonga, you can talk to the referee all you want, Charlton, but they always say the referee's decision is final. And Lawrence Zimondi will stand by his decision. So free kick to Chaya Chipembere. Farai Banda behind the ball together with Leroy Murape. Let's see, it's what? About 30 meters out. It's Farai Banda. Future Sibanda, and it's a goal! Oh my word! The goalkeeper beat into it. Oh, gracious man! Opens the scoring. 7 minutes into the game. Oh, it's Edgar Mungu who was there. First on the ball, Edgar Mungu beating Future Sibanda to the ball. And Rhinos are in front. So this was the free kick that came through. And Future Sibanda missed it. And it fell kindly to Edgar Mungu. Oh, that's poor goalkeeping from the Highlanders goalkeeper. And he was off to celebrate. Peter Mudua is right there, headed out of danger. Atawanda Macheke on with possession now, but taken away. Onto the near side now, looking for options. Colin Kwaramba brought down nicely, looking for options. Spread it wide onto that far side. Can a cross come through? Yes, it does. But headed out of danger there. Banda. Come through. Tawanda Macheke. Whoa! That was some hell. Silent. Well, you can't do anything to that bullet of a header from Macheke. Dispatched once again by Farai Banda, and Macheke was right there. He came through unmarked and he picked his spot. No future whatsoever for Sibanda. Could not get to the end of that one. So 2-0, Black Rhinos lead Highlanders here. 53 minutes gone in this game.